To determine if the additional food is suitable for redistribution, the remaining shelf life or expiration dates are examined. The products with the longer shelf life are the most important. In terms of food safety, a distinction is made between the best before date and the use by date. How can we be sure that the product is still edible after the best before date? It is advisable to visually check food safety based on the distinct smell of a particular food, the integrity of the packaging, the absence of rust or mold, insects and foreign bodies, and the application of the correct storage temperature. Use by the date is the so-called safety date, and is established for foods that are perishable from a microbiological point of view. Best before the date is not an indicator of food safety, it is the so-called quality date, which indicates the date until which the food retains its qualitative properties when properly stored. Expiry date used by food becomes unsafe for consumption and it must not be donated or consumed. Expiry date best before food may be donated and consumed after the expiration date, provided they are safe, but there is a possibility of somewhat diminished quality. Food safety regulations and standards, including proper handling, storage and preparation methods, should be applied to surplus food. This will ensure that the food meets all required safety standards. The recipients of the surplus food, for example food banks or charities, could comment on the suitability and quality of the donated food. This input influences future donation and selection processes and contributes to the overall quality assessment. Broken or damaged packaging can lead to contamination or a reduction in the quality of the product.